Do you find Odoo's default date format confusing? Learn how to change it to your preferred format in under 2 minutes. Just follow these steps. Access preferences, choose your locale, and activate the switch. Your dates will display correctly immediately. Start by navigating to the home page. Click your profile icon. From there, click on My Preferences. Now find the Language field in the form that opens. Click the Language drop-down menu to see your options. Choose a locale with your preferred date format. Go ahead and click on Add. Finally, click Switch to update your preferences. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.